here's the thing no one wants to say out loud. Most companies don't have an AI adoption problem. They have an AI skills gap problem. Leaders keep shouting, use AI, but the workforce hasn't been given the clarity, confidence, or capability to actually do it. Today, we're talking about the real blocker to AI adoption and what leaders can actually do to close the skills gap. Welcome back to the show. Last week, we talked about the reality of AI adoption, the pressure, the confusion, the quiet fear of doing it wrong. If you haven't listened to that episode yet, go back after this one. It sets the stage for what we're diving into today. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. You can't adopt what you don't understand. And right now, the research is blunt. Nearly 40% of workers' skills will be disrupted within 5 years. 70% of organizations say they can't equip their workforce with AI skills. Employees underestimate how much AI will change their own roles. So let's talk about what the AI skills gap actually is and how leaders can close it in a way that's practical, humane, and grounded in real work. And if you want the visual framework and the full resource guide, I've linked the downloadable resources in the show notes. Most conversations about AI skills get stuck at the wrong altitude. Leaders talk about AI literacy. Employees here learn prompt engineering. Vendors push certifications. Meanwhile, the real question is much simpler. What are the 5 to 10 workflows in each role that AI can meaningfully improve? That's the foundation. If you can't map the work, you can't design the training. Because the skills gap isn't about talent. It's about clarity. Across the research, 5 drivers show up again and again. AI is evolving faster than training programs. By the time a course is built, the tools have changed. Training is too generic and doesn't help someone write better SQL or debug a flaky test. Organizations focus on tools, not people. They deploy the shiny thing and assume adoption will follow. Adult learning systems aren't built for this pace. Most corporate training is still compliance-driven. Finally, psychological barriers are real. Fear of incompetence. Fear of looking slow. Fear of being replaced. This is why your adoption efforts stall, not because people don't care, but because they don't feel safe or supported. So, let's get practical. Here are the upskilling techniques that consistently outperform everything else. Number 1. Create a role-based skills taxonomy. Start with the work and map AI capabilities to real tasks. Number 2. Opt for personalized, just-in-time learning. Adults learn when they need something right now. Microlessons, prompt templates, or examples tied to real workflows. Number 3. Peer learning networks. We talked about AI champions last time, and that works because people learn from people they trust. This is one of the strongest predictors of successful upskilling. Number 4 is hands-on, project-based learning. Run 4 to 6-week AI sprints that solve real problems. Require teams to ship something, an agent, a workflow, a template. Last one is creating a culture of continuous learning. Normalize experimentation. Celebrate small wins. Reward curiosity, not perfection. This is how you turn AI from a mandate into a capability. So this was the simple, repeatable system leaders can use. It's not complicated. It's just rarely done. To conclude, the AI skills gap isn't a talent problem. It's a leadership problem. People they need leaders who invest in capability, not compliance. If you want the full breakdown, downloadable framework, checklist, and research, check the link in the show notes. And if you want more episodes like this, make sure you subscribe to the newsletter so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for listening.